Hey friends, welcome to another episode of Delicious Cooking Day. I'm gonna be making French onion soup today. It's my family's favorite soup and I wanna share that recipe with you guys. So let's go ahead and start cooking. We need a lot of onions. The hardest part is to cut the onions in this dish. So once that's ready, we're gonna start cooking. So let's start cutting the onions. Okay, so I'm going to be using approximately 3 pounds of onions for this soup, which will serve approximately 6 people. I'm going to make 6 cups of soup, so let's start cutting the onions. You don't need this center root, I'm going to take this off. Okay, you don't want the onions to cut too thick or too thin. Okay, so before we start cooking the onions, I will be simmering the beef stock on the side, and we're gonna add some other ingredients to it for approximately 45 minutes, and on the other side I'm gonna be simmering the onions for approximately 30 to 45 minutes again, and then we're gonna go on. Add the beef stock. So this is approximately 4 to 5 cups. Okay, I'm gonna add about 3 cloves of garlic, 2 bay leaves. We need to add some peppercorns, fresh thyme, and we're gonna leave this on for about 40-45 minutes to simmer. Also, I'm gonna add some salt and black pepper. We're gonna try to keep it on a low heat so we don't burn our stock. Okay, and on this side we're gonna go ahead and start cooking the onion on a low heat again. We're gonna add some olive oil. Okay, here we're gonna go ahead and start adding the onions, and we're gonna saute the onions for about 30 to 40 minutes until it caramelizes, change the color to nice golden brown. I'm also gonna add some cilantro. We can also add some sour plums to our stock, which will give some sourness to the stock. And we're gonna go ahead and toast the bread. Okay, so it's been almost 35 minutes. Our onions are caramelized. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm gonna add 1 cup of white wine. Beef stock is ready too. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off for now. I'm gonna add a few pieces of butter to the onions. Okay, our soup is ready. We're gonna go ahead and put the soup in the ceramic pot, and then we're gonna cover with cheese. Then that's gonna go into the oven. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put the bread in. Now we're gonna go ahead and cover it with Swiss cheese. So we're done. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven now. Broil approximately 5 to 10 minutes.
Wow, that's colorful.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Our onion soup is ready. Tastes very good, very beautiful texture. It's amazing. It's hard to explain. And I want to say thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. We have upcoming videos coming. Turn on your notifications and don't miss out anything. Cheers from our family to yours.